Welcome back, statistics students. We are still inside of chapters 6 through 8, and we've done the first 7 examples from the Monopoly sheet. We're on to example number 8 here, and I've left up my least squared regression line, okay, because I'm going to need it. It says, what does the y-intercept represent? Does it make sense? Okay, well, the y-intercept represents an x of 0, right? So like in general, y-intercept, right, mathematically speaking, is 0 comma some number, right? So that means in our context, x is spaces. So it represents y-intercept represents the cost of a property 0 spaces from go, which essentially means the y-intercept represents the cost of the space go. Okay. So it basically means go, right? The space go costs $67.28. I realize that there's not decimals in Monopoly, like we don't do cents and things, but this right here is the y-intercept. Okay, now go costs $67.28. And then that's the interpretation. No mistake be made about it. That is an absolutely 100% correct way to interpret that. The real question is, does that make sense? For those of you that have played Monopoly, you would probably say no because you can't buy go. Okay? But if you say no because you can't buy go, you know how Monopoly's played, fine. Okay? But that's not necessarily the argument being made here. In general, can go cost $68? Like, that's a positive value, right? That is a real amount of money. So in reality, you could buy something for $67. So really, that does make sense, I think. If it would have been negative $67, well, that doesn't make any sense at all. Okay, they're not going to pay you and give you the space. So here, when I see the question, does it make sense? I say yes, because you can buy something for $67, basically. Okay. Now, I would take the rationalization of no because you can't buy go if you know Monopoly. Okay. But my interpretation there is absolutely fine. Okay. There's a couple different ways, and it always is going to be like that in statistics. You have to interpret it in context of the problem. That is example number 8. Coming up next, I'm going to do example number 9. You can see right there what's waiting for you.